Hey, my name is Cindy Abear. I currently live in East Aboga, Alabama, and I commute to Grandview Medical Center for work. That's in Birmingham, Alabama. It's about a 40-minute drive. I commute and I work there in the cardiac ICU. My parents live in Lombell, Alabama, and that is where I lived and went to JSU for my undergrad in nursing. I actually have on my JSU grad studies shirt that I got while I was in my undergrad in nursing there. So I work at Grandview. In the cardiac ICU, I see a lot of the doctors and nurse practitioners that work with the Alabama Cardiovascular Group, and that is who I plan and hope to work with when I am done with this program. I'm currently in the advanced acute care nursing program, nurse practitioner program, and I'm very excited for this class and the future classes. I'm also very excited to get some hands-on practice and to see where this takes me. Thank you.